Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study maths for SSC step by step. Begin by mapping the full syllabus and marking high-weight topics first. Then create a realistic weekly plan that balances theory reading, solved examples, and timed practice tests to build speed and confidence. And finally, schedule regular revision sessions with short quizzes to retain formulas and methods. Use focused methods to learn effectively. Learn a technique, watch 1 or 2 solved examples, and then solve similar problems yourself, gradually increasing difficulty. Alternate topics to avoid burnout and use short breaks to refresh. Record common mistakes and revisit them weekly. Keep a formula sheet updated and test yourself under timed conditions to simulate exam pressure and improve accuracy and speed. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during long study blocks, and I use the O-Ala water bottle because it keeps drinks cold and fits in my bag. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy better focus with regular sips between sessions. Now, let's get back to the video. Prioritize consistent practice and smart revision. Attempt past papers under exam timing, analyze mistakes, and convert errors into learning points. Rotate topics each revision cycle so nothing gets neglected. Use an error log to track repeated slips and focus short sessions on remedying them. Gradually increase the number of full-length mocks to build stamina and ensure your time management and accuracy match exam expectations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.